National income is the option D, net domestic product at factor cost. National income refers to option A, money value of goods and services produced in a country during a year. The number of approved share markets in India is option C, 19. The father of Operation Flood is option B, Varghese Kurian. Indian Green Revolution started from option A,
Option A.
Pantnagar.
Padnagar.
Under which plan was private sector given priority over the public sector for the first time? Option C, 7th. Axis Bank is the new name for option D, UTI Bank. Finance Commission is constituted option D, once in a 5 year. RBI has decided to release plastic notes in circulation. The first such series to be circulated will be of option B, rupees 10 notes. The per capita income has been low in India because option A, more people are in rural area. Smart money is a term used for option B, credit cards. Which of the following contributes the maximum earning in Indian Railways? Option B, goods traffic earning. Indian production of tea in the world stands at option D, first. For which period was the rolling plan made? Option A, 1978 to 1983. Name the first Indian private company to sign an accord with government of Myanmar for oil exploration in second offshore blocks in that country. Option D, Azure Oil. Excess of public expenditure over public revenue leads to option A, deficit. Indian Green Revolution is most successful in which of the following? Option C, wheat and rice. In India, which area is the public sector most dominant in India? Option C, commercial banking. Economic survey is published by option C, Ministry of Finance. Which of the following Mahatma Gandhi series of currency notes issued by the RBI has ecology depicted on it? Option B, rupees 100. Sunrise industries are industries. Option D, which have high growth potential and meet further requirements of the economy. Bharat Nirman Yojana does not include which of the following? Option A, education. Which of the following forms the largest share of deficit of Government of India budget? Option C, fiscal deficit. Agriculture income tax is assigned to the state government by option A, the Finance Commission. In which of the following years was the Food Corporation of India FCI set up? Option C, 1977. Focus product and focus market are related to which scheme? Option A, export promotion. The new share price index in dollar value of Mumbai share market is option B, Eurex. The impact of Green Revolution was felt most in the case of option A, wheat. Planning Commission was established in the year option A, 1950. Which of the following Indian banks is not a nationalized bank?
Option C. Federal Bank.